This is how we do it. This is how we do it. La 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 la. La la la. This is how we do it.
We want everyone to feel confident with money so we can all look after the pennies. That's why at NatWest, we do money sense lessons in schools.
Oh, did you get that pound, love?
NatWest, we are what we do.
2 Whoppers, both with the same signature flame-grilled taste, the juicy tomatoes, sliced onions, and freshly cut lettuce. Original Whopper on the left. New plant-based Whopper on the right. In fact, the new Rebel Whopper is so similar to the original, it makes you wonder why they bothered. Oh, fair play. The new Rebel Whopper, only at Burger King.
You awake?
Yeah?
Hooray to the wonderful everyday.
6 months in at Britain's newest bank, Santander, things aren't going to plan.
We'd like to address the allegations of similarities between our logo and a rival bank.
Their logo is a flame, whereas ours is clearly
a baguette.
Logo issues resolved.
Yes.
Dec is pitching an idea that will predict the future of remortgaging.
Introducing our new smart bot, Stan.
Wow, he's very lifelike.
No, that's Jerry the intern. This is Stan. He'll predict the future. Watch. I'll read Stan. Will my mortgage rate alter?
Searching for flights to Gibraltar.
Stan, what will my mortgage rate do next?
Reading Dec's text from Mom. Declan, I've taken up your trousers.
Sorry, there's a few teething problems, obviously, at the moment.
Meanwhile, at Santander, they can't predict your future, but they'll help secure it with great mortgage rates fixed for up to 10 years. See what's possible at Santander.
Ma tête, c'est la plus belle. C'est vrai, c'est ça, c'est moi. Elle fait le temps que ça me plaît d'être avec moi-même. Je veux donner mon cœur, la lune, au chocolat. Oui, c'est ça.
You see more when you don't fly. You're a star.
89th minute, there's a free kick on the edge of the area. Last chance to win this tie.
Open Spotify.
Show me catch up.
Open Netflix.
It's good to be back in business.
Let's go.
Sky Cinema.
Waiting for the stars to align.
Welcome to Pearl and Dean Premiers. First, Robert Downey Jr. talks to the animals in a vivid reimagining of a classic tale, Dolittle.
Are you Dr. Dolittle?
I like the idea of a return to the kind of movie that I grew up watching when I was a kid.
We've no choice but to embark on this perilous journey.
Robert has an extraordinary energy, fantastic talent bursting out of him.
It's okay to be scared.
It's phenomenal. It's different, and it's very magic.
Hello, Barry. Hello, lunch.
There's a dynamism there that is quite exciting.
It's just absolutely incredible.
Somehow, we just belong together.
There was something about the gentle, sweet adventure.
You can talk to animals.
I'm thinking to myself, oh, what a wonderful world.
From Academy Award-winning director Clint Eastwood comes the gripping true story, Richard Jewell.
Richard Jewell is a man who saves lives, and then he's put on the chopping block as a potential suspect.
You always look at the guy who found the bomb.
Did he do it?
Richard Jewell is an innocent man. He's a hero.
We are dealing with real events that many of us were alive for.
The story itself was an American tragedy.
My son saved people's lives.
It's an interesting study on the assumptions we make when we're desperate for answers.
I report the facts.
You've ruined this man's life.
And people just get swept in this wildfire. It gets out of control.
It's a challenge, but in some way trying to set the record straight.
I think your client is guilty as hell.
There is a bomb in Centennial Park. You have 30 minutes.
You set that bomb.
The thing that really attracted me was working with Clint Eastwood.
Clint Eastwood is a legend for a reason.
I don't know how to protect you.
It's exciting.
Amazing.
I'm pretty happy with what we made here.
You ready to start fighting back?
To find out more, visit pearlanddean.com. Pearl and Dean Premiers, brought to you by Oral-B.
Change one thing. It's what my trainer down the gym said. Funnily, it's also what my dentist said. He reckons my teeth and gums would be much cleaner and healthier if I changed to one of these. An Oral-B electric toothbrush. It cleans much better. See, a lot of people brush too hard without even knowing it. So Oral-B's gum pressure control thingy tells you when it happens. How cool is that? One amazing change here and an amazing change here. Oral-B.
There comes a time where we all must choose between the light and the darkness. But when there is great darkness in this world, perhaps the choice is made for us. You know, for eons, people like us have been degraded and exterminated. But no more. There is evil among us, and you must remember, this evil starts as but a spot inside of them. Then it grows to a stain. Then it becomes a scourge. And we can't know such evil until it strikes. So the time to act is now, before everything we hold dear to us is destroyed. This is not murder. This is mitzvah. Welcome to the hunt.
Mom.
It's okay. It's okay. We're okay. We're okay. That's Dad. Okay. That's Dad. Where? Mom. Oh my God.
I came all the way up here.
There's nothing left.
Please. There are people out there worth saving.
You don't know, do you? I do. The people that are left, they're not the kind of people worth saving.
We are leading the way in the greatest human advancement of all time. He's unlike anything we've seen before. And he's entirely in our control.
Commencing memory fabrication.
And initiate sequence?
What happened?
You got yourself killed. You have been given a second chance.
I've developed an army of soldiers like yourself. Improved, enhanced.
Welcome to the circus. The technology in your veins will make you faster, stronger, and heal you instantly.
Something doesn't feel right.
They've been manipulating you. Set the next target for elimination. You are my weapon.
You made me, but you can't control me forever.
They'll come for you.
I'm looking forward to it.
You can't get in, Kenny.
No chance.
Oh, man. Shit.
Adrian. He was a sociopath. He said that I could never leave him. He controlled how I looked and what I wore. Then it was controlling when I left the house. And eventually, what I thought. I'm sorry, I can't take you with me. I'm not gonna leave you with that thing on. Are you okay? What happened to him?
Adrian's dead.
Listen, you're getting your freedom back, okay?
He said that wherever I went, he would find me. Walk right up to me, and I wouldn't be able to see him. Adrian is dead. He's not dead. He has figured out a way to be invisible. He's sitting in that chair. Where are you? Show yourself!
Surprise.
Let me help you.
You can't help me.